Hey Red Gang, what's up with y'all? How y'all doing? Okay, so in today's video, this is just me coming on here to show you guys my very first install on somebody's head for the first time. And let's just say did not find out as well. For sake did not go well, okay? We had to remove, after applying the glue, we had to remove the entire thing again. We put a darker wig cap for the ball cap method and redo the wig. Let's just say the model try. This was a bit at the back, so we had to push this other one in front, way in front, and just use our hands to massage the lace so the glue can melt inside the skin and dry the excess glue off. And tie that thing tight, like how you would want to tie a man down, okay? Right? Okay, let's continue. Anywho guys, so this is just me trying to fix her well, trying to get her right so she can slay her purple hair well, and I'm just gonna take a few sections and just curl them out so the hair can pop. Because guys, can you see how the purple is giving on her skin? Ooh!
I don't want to see my YouTube. The last thing is see that's something here. Everybody will ask me, who's that?
So that's my instructor in front of y'all, and let's just say I needed intervention.
Don't laugh for it, because one keep one box.
This is my client, so they feel about everybody. Guys, ignore. And because they should not walk. So she guys, ignore her. She actually knows how to install her. So when you know something and somebody is just doing anyhow, you want to beat them. So
Okay. This thing I don't think is complete now. Complete or rubbish.
Most of you are asking why did you go around here? Are you trying to become a stylist? No, we're still sticking to the plan, but I got another thing or two, please. It's all related one way or the other for me, okay? That's it. And this hair was giving you, I absolutely love the color on her skin, and baby, it's not even HD, and it was given. God, I beg. I don't want to be a mechanic. I want to be a baller so I can be buying wigs. Guys, make sure you subscribe. See you guys in another video very soon. Bye.